Hello everyone. The UGC has issued a notification regarding the date and subject wise schedule for UGC NET December 2020 and June 2021 cycle. These exams will be conducted from 20th November 2021 to 5 December 2021 in computer based test mode. The detailed schedule, subject, date, and shift is given on the first day, that is 20th November, Saturday. These many subjects will be conducted in first shift, and after this, the second shift, where all these subjects are conducted. On second day, 21st November, that is Sunday, on first shift, law and psychology subject are conducted. In second shift, environmental sciences, performing arts, and physical education is conducted. Similarly, on day 3, shift 1, shift 3, 3 subjects will be conducted. On day 4, on first shift, economic, rural economics, cooperation, demographic, so all these subjects exams conducted in first shift. In second shift, other subjects are conducted. On fifth day, you can see there is a commerce group 1 and group 2. Group 1 exams will be held at shift 1, and group 2 in second shift. Similarly, in first shift, music is there. In second shift, usual visual arts is there. Similarly, on day 6th, in first shift, commerce group 3 and Tamil. In second shift, computer science and application. On 7th day, that is 29/11, in first shift, history and population studies is conducted. In second shift, anthropology and history group 2 is conducted. Similarly, day 8, 30th November, only one shift is there on that day, and management subjects are conducted. On day 9, that is 1st December, shift 1 for English group 1, shift 2 for English group 2. Similarly, day 10, that is the 3rd December, there is no exams on 2nd December. 3rd December, in shift 1, education, Kashmiri, Malayalam, Russian will be conducted, and in second shift, education group 2, electronic sciences, social medicine, and community health exams is conducted. On day 11, in first shift, Asami. In second shift, Bodo exams will be conducted. On the last day, that is 12th day, 5th December, Sunday, in first shift, Uriya and Telugu will be conducted. In second shift, labor welfare and social work related subjects are conducted. So these are the schedule for the examination, subject wise, date wise, and shift wise. So far, this much notification has been issued, and you can download your hall tickets. You can download your hall tickets on the UGC NET website. Only 20 and 21 subject, the date subjects will be available. Thank you.